In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Notebooklm tell a fictional story. To begin, open Notebooklm and go into the notebook you want to work with. In this example, it is a notebook about feline ecology, predation habits, and nutritional requirements. The exact topic does not matter. What matters is that you are inside the notebook where you want Notebooklm to pull information from. If you are following along, take a moment to confirm you can see the notebook interface and the sources area. Next, click on Add Sources. This is where you bring in material that Notebooklm can reference. Even if you already have sources in your notebook, this is still the place to add more context, examples, or background notes that can help your fictional story feel consistent and grounded. When you click Add Sources, you will see options for how to provide content. From the Add Sources view, click on Highlight. This option is designed for pulling in specific excerpts rather than a whole document. Using highlights is helpful when you want to guide the story with a few key details, like setting elements, character traits, or facts you want the narrative to respect. It also keeps the notebook focused, so the story does not drift toward unrelated information. After you select Highlight, click the arrow forward button to continue. This advances you into the next part of the source adding flow. Move slowly here and watch the panel that opens, because this is where you will actually provide the text you want to include. Now click into the input field and type in Highlight. In other words, enter the highlighted text content you want Notebooklm to use as source material. You can paste a short excerpt or type it manually, depending on what you have prepared. Keep your text clear and specific, because Notebooklm will treat it as reference information. If your goal is a fictional story, choose highlights that suggest atmosphere, conflict, or interesting factual anchors you want the story to build on. Once your highlight is entered, you are set up for Notebooklm to use that material when generating a fictional narrative based on your notebook content. And that is all there is to it.